No, you're in the left lane.
I mean.
I know what you mean.
I'm in the right lane. I'm in the left lane, right?
You're right lane.
I'm
No,
in the
I'm
left
in the left
lane.
lane. See what I'm saying? Forces people to go around opposite lane. Now, I don't even blame him for going around where he's going to stay behind the cars. What we got here? He's doing the traffic on the exit. I'm not sure even if any. The fuck? Why? This dude just straight up ran the light. Straight up ran that light. This one stopped. The other one was like, fuck that. I'm gonna keep going. Look, he cut the car off. He didn't signal.